In this video, I'll guide you through how to disable Cloudflare for a specific record on your website. This is really useful if you're troubleshooting an issue, testing a new setup, or if you want traffic to go directly to your server without passing through Cloudflare's proxy. We'll move slowly and clearly through each part of the process so you understand not just what to click, but why you're doing it. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn off the Cloudflare proxy for an individual DNS record while keeping your DNS hosted with Cloudflare. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Cloudflare dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of the websites or domains that are connected to your account. Find the site you want to change. This is the domain where you want to disable Cloudflare's proxy for at least one record. Click on that site to open its overview page. From here, look for the DNS section in the navigation menu. It may be on the left-hand side or along the top, depending on your layout, but it will be clearly labeled as DNS. Click on DNS, then make sure you're in the records view. This is where Cloudflare lists all of your DNS records for the selected site. On this page, you'll see a table of DNS records. These might include A records, CNAME records, MX records, and possibly others. What you're interested in is the specific record whose traffic you want to stop routing through Cloudflare's proxy. For most people, that will be an A record or a CNAME record that points to your web server or application. Take a moment to carefully identify the correct record. Look at the name column, which might show something like the root of your domain or a subdomain, and confirm the type, such as A or CNAME. Double check that this is the record you actually want to change, because disabling the proxy will affect how traffic reaches that part of your site. Once you've found the right record, look for an option to edit it. This is usually shown as an edit button or an icon next to the record. Click Edit to open the settings for that DNS entry. Inside the edit view, you'll see a setting called Proxy Status. This is where Cloudflare indicates whether it is actively proxying traffic for that record. When the icon is orange, Cloudflare's proxy is enabled. That means traffic is passing through Cloudflare, giving you features like caching, security filtering, and performance optimization. To disable Cloudflare's proxy, you need to toggle this proxy status from orange to gray. When it's gray, it is set to DNS only. That means Cloudflare is just acting as your DNS provider and not sitting in the middle of your traffic. Click the switcher icon so that it changes from the orange proxied state to the gray DNS only state. After adjusting the proxy status, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Apply button in the edit window and click it. This step is important. If you don't save, the record will stay proxied and nothing will change. Once saved, you should see the record in your DNS table now, showing a gray status, confirming that Cloudflare's proxy is disabled for that specific record. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take a few minutes to propagate, so the effect might not be instant everywhere, and that's all you need to do. You've successfully disabled Cloudflare for that record while keeping your DNS hosted with them.